Hi, my name's Dr. Ranj Singh and I'm a paediatric specialist in the NHS. When you're pregnant, vaccinations are one of the best ways that you can protect you and your baby. One of the vaccinations you can get is to protect you and your baby from pertussis or whooping cough. This is a serious infection that can make babies very ill and also put them at risk of dying, as Dr. Virginia now explains.
We've seen over the last few years that there are babies who are dying in the first 2 months of life because they're catching whooping cough. It's caused by a bacterial infection. It causes very significant chest infection. In very severe cases, because the baby has so much difficulty with breathing, it doesn't get enough oxygen to the brain, and so that can cause permanent brain damage, and it can even cause death in babies.
You can help protect your baby against this infection by having the vaccination. It can be given any time from week 16 of pregnancy, but for best protection, vaccination should ideally be between 20 and 32 weeks of pregnancy. You can still have the vaccination up until you go into labour. This will give your baby some protection until they're old enough to start having their own vaccinations 8 weeks after they're born. It's safe to have both the flu and whooping cough vaccinations at the same time. In some areas, the vaccine will be available at antenatal clinics or at the scan appointment. In others, you can make an appointment at your GP practice to receive the vaccine. Your midwife will be able to tell you what's available in your area. So please take up the opportunity to have your whooping cough vaccination. The NHS has lots of measures in place to keep you safe when you have your appointment, and it really will help to keep you and your baby well. This is one of 2 videos we have on Baby Buddy about vaccinations you can have during your pregnancy. Check out the one about the flu vaccine too.